This dance is called Come Dance With Me. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting off on the right foot, we're going to travel diagonally to the right. So we're going to step our right forward, lock the left behind the right. So you're effectively crossing the feet over, so your right foot can't get out, so you're locking it in place. Step the right foot forward again and brush the left through. So we'll brush is with the ball of the foot, so nice soft, gentle contact with the ground. Repeat those steps, left foot leading, going to the left diagonal. So we step the left forward, lock the right behind the left, step the left forward and brush the right. So that little section again. After the diagonal. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. From here we're going to do a jazz box. So we'll cross the right over the left, step the left back, right to the side. We're going to cross this time, so cross that left over the right. So it's a jazz box with a cross. Add a bit of a vine onto the end, step the right to the side, cross the left behind, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. So it's a vine with a cross on the end. So that little section then. We've just brushed our right, so we're going into a jazz box. 7, 8. Cross, back, side, cross, vine, side, behind, side, cross. Put those two sections together. It's halfway through the dance. Diagonally forward off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross. We're now going to do a couple of scissor steps. With a scissor step, step the right to the side, bring the feet together and cross over. So your right then crosses over the left. That's your scissor step. So you can see how you're sort of making that cutting action with your feet. We hold. We then do exactly the same with the left foot leading. Step the left to the side, feet together, left crosses over the right and hold. So that last little section then, off on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, cross, hold, side, close, cross, hold. Otherwise known as two scissor steps with a hold in between. So add that to the top. Diagonally forward off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Side, close, cross, hold, side, close, cross, hold. From here we're going to do another scissor step. So step into the right, close the left, cross the right over. Not going to hold this time. Going to go straight into a vine to the left, side, behind. This time make a quarter turn left as you step that left foot forward and brush the right. No, you don't brush the right. Quarter turn, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn. I was just counting through the steps in my head. So that last little section again. Scissor step off on the right, side, close, cross, straight into that vine, side, behind, quarter turn, step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn left, weight ends up on that left foot, and you're ready to start the dance again off on the right. So when you're doing those pivot steps, make sure the weight stays on the toes. So you're actually turning on the toes, but then the weight transfers onto the foot that effectively hasn't moved. So it's the opposite foot to which you step forward on, and you always turn in the opposite direction to the foot you step forward on as well. So if you step forward on the right, you will turn left. So just do that last little section once more then. Scissors step off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot. And start again. So let's add it all together from the top. Diagonally forward on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, scissors, side, close, cross, hold, side, close, cross, hold, side, close, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot. And we're ready to start the dance again. Off to the right diagonal. So that's your little walkthrough. Let's have a go at the next 3 walls, and then we'll try it to some music. Off on the right, diagonally to the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, close, cross, side, close, cross, side, close, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, scissors, side, close, cross, side, close, cross, side, close, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, scissors, side, close, cross, side, close, cross, side, close, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot. And you start all over again. So that's your dance. Let's give it a go to some music.
Across the road, you don't make a move real soon. I'll just have to make a move instead. I wonder why you seem so shy. You're such a darn good-looking guy. Would you turn me down if I walked right up and said, "Come dance with me"? Come dance with me, let's give romance a chance to start. Now the music's right, come on, make my night. Come dance with me. I could only get to know ya. Maybe you would let me show ya a new dance step you've never done before. I hold out my hand and get the feeling it's all the encouragement you'll be needing. 'Cause look who's leading who out to the floor. And you say, "Come dance with me." No need to be so apart. Come dance with me. Let's give romance a chance to start. If the magic's right, chances could last all night. Come dance with me.
Hope you managed that one.